What's up, guys? Welcome to Lyra's Tips and Tricks. Um, in this video, we'll be talking about a online service called Photomosh.com. It's a glitch service. It's amazing and it has a lot of effects for free. It has premium effect for free. I'll just show you guys. I just came across this website. I was trying to do a quick fix on the effect, and I stumbled on this website. It's very amazing. It has so much effect for just free. A click of a button, and you get all these effects. And it's amazing that you could even mix effects. You could do a lot of stuff together just for free. I love this effect. I love this service. So I'm gonna share with you guys. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, it's pretty easy. You just go to photomosh.com. I will send the link in the description below. Uh, so once you're on photomosh.com, you can see the interface. It's very user friendly. You said glitch yourself. I think it has the load file and the user webcam, and also upgrade to Photomosh Pro. But for now, we don't need the Pro version. It pretty much has all the free effects on this free version. So if you want to upload your file, you click on load file. If you want to use your direct webcam, like right now, it's click on webcam. But for now, just click on load file. So you see choose file or drop files here. We just choose a file. So choose a file. You have a sexy girl for you guys to see. Yeah, at the top left, you can see the different formats: the JPEG, GIF, GIF, and the web format for MP4. So in this video, we're talking about just for now. I will show you guys the JPEG uh, format. So beneath here, we have the Mosh effect and the save button. This is to save any effect any effect you want on the different formats you choose or you picked anyhow. So we'll show you guys more of the effects of the mosh glitch effect. So here we have the mosh button. It shows you lots of effects at random. So let's click one. So you can see the slices effect. Just so much effects, so much different effects, different glitch effects that you could just play around with. So much effect that we could play with. I'll show you guys one of my favorites. Yeah, they are very nice effects. There are some that doesn't make sense. Why there are some that are really cool. You could just play around with so much effects. So just uh, and there are some effects that you could use for your social media handles, for your Instagram, for your Twitter, for your Facebook, for your LinkedIn, or even for your WhatsApp story. Yeah. So it's pretty much a cool free effect because it's actually free, and well, I love this. So I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite effects that I love using for my Instagram. It's also a way to market your goods, to promote anything you sell online through social media. You could have a very cool banner, then add the glitch effect to it as a video format or as a GIF. It's very cool. My favorite glitch effect is it's a mix of both brightness and contrast and the rainbow effect. So you click on the brightness and contrast. Come on, where are you guys hiding? Yeah, I got you. So this, and you have the rainbow effects, which is this. I have a way of making it look very cool. For the contrast, you could increase or decrease, but I always stand I use just 0.2. Then the brightness is minus 14. Yeah, that's cool. So for the rainbow is 39. This 38, 39, and 0.39. Come on. Yeah, 39, and the offset is just 0.5. Yeah. So you can see the glitch effect. It's just like a color combination of the effect of the brightness and contrast and the rainbow effect. You can see the different colors. I love colors actually. I love colors. So you could play around this. You could have anyone. You could choose any effect you want for free. It's pretty much easy to play around with. So right now I'm gonna save this file. So I click on save a file. Then yeah, saved. Let's say I look like, yeah, pretty much cool. Yeah. So now I want to just show you guys the GIF format. So like I want to save a file, like I want to save a gift GIF format with the effect. So I click on the motion, I pick whatever I want. So I not see what I want first. For the one, no, not this. Yeah, there's some effect that doesn't make sense actually. But white some is really cool. Right, some are just way absurd. So keep on looking for the right one. You have to find the right one. Yeah, I think it's cool. Yeah, this effect is really cool. Yeah, so this is actually a moving file, file. So this is cool for a GIF. So you click on the record button. Yeah, so it's record the effect, then it's processed and it's saved. So right now it's processing, then it's saved automatically. So now let's say how it looks. Let's see how the GIF looks. Yeah, here we have it. Looks pretty cool. So you could use this for your Twitter, for your Facebook, for LinkedIn, because it's pretty much attractive. The glitch effect is very glaring and it's cool. Yeah. So right now I'll show you guys the web format as for MP4. Some social media handles don't accept GIF. For example, like Instagram doesn't allow GIF. So it's either you use a JPEG file or a video file. So if you want to post your image or your video on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, you could want to use a video format like this. So this will record the glitch effects and you save it as a video format. So as you can see, it's already saved, and let's say it looks like. So you can see, yeah, it's cool. Yeah, so guys, pretty much that's all about Photomosh. uh you could play with other effects, you could play with so much. Yeah, it has so much effect. Yeah, you could combine glitch effects. For example, I want the half tone, but this effect, I can click on the half tone effect, then it has this. Then let's say I want a bad TV, this bad TV effect, glitch effect. Click on this too. It's just scroll ups and down, and I want the solarized effect. It's just cool. You could just It has so much effect to play around with to your own way. We have our different way of liking things. You might want to add all the effect together as one. It's cool. It's your way. So it's pretty much all about the photomosh.com. It's a very cool glitch service for free. Yeah, so I guess most of you guys should pretty like it. Yeah, so guys, pretty much that's all about Photomosh. Um, I've shown you guys how to create a GIF file, and a video file. Where you could post all these files on your social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, also wherever you like, wherever site you can put it. So so that's pretty much all about this service. Please like our channel, like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, we love your comments, we love your likes, we love your subscribe, we love you when you subscribe. So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.